Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vishal and I'm going to show my project. This is a project of LMS. This is project about the Google Classroom. It is not a Google Classroom, it is a classroom where we can join classes and create classes just like Google Classroom. For example, I have to show the demonstration here. Let's create class. For example, I am going to create a class. You have to log in and sign up. Course name, like let's say it's the Python class. Let's choose an image to upload for the class. And here's the key for the classroom that if anyone want to join, they have to go pass the keys. So the keys would be 789. Okay. The class would be this is Python class. Oh, sorry, class, not class. Okay, let's create the class. Now, after creating the class, it will redirect us to the page where we have the list of classes where which I created. And here is my email and here is the passkey. And if I see the view details of my class, then I can see the uploaded content. I can upload the new content here or see the class content or see the members. So I have no members here and I didn't upload any content. So let's upload the content first. Let's say this is a book of AI learn in Python. Uh, this let's say this is the AI topic learn from YouTube. That's funny. Okay, so just YouTube. Okay, so here I can upload three types. I can upload the files also and the video link, and I have to just pass the title. This is recommended, and in this way of description, upload video link. I have can upload any one of them. Okay, so let's upload the content. The content is uploaded. You can see the class content. This is ALN, and this topic is all about this introduction. If I can just see and say there is no members, let's create a new members. Let's go to this ID. Let's go to localhost, and I am also logging here. Let's join the class. I can see this is the Python class that I have already created from some other ID. Here's the another Python class that is created by me. Let's join the class. What was the passkey? I guess that is 789. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. So this is the topic, and here I can see the markers read. If I click on markers read, this is learn. If I click, I'm already reading. And if I go to my class and refresh, here is the member. This is the student. I can check his progress. So this is the two topics I have given here, the AI learn and the Python introduction. Python introduction, did I give him? Yeah, I don't know. Looks like, yeah, the heading, the class I created, this is also then comes in the introduction. So this is the Python class that I upload. The what I've done in the project is first the Google Classroom does not have the able to make the measure the students of their what they learn and the timing they taken to complete the task and which time they have to take and so more things and can be shown to the graph for teachers to help the students to what they make or how much they time take to learn and something like this. Thank you for joining. The source code is given in the link in description. Follow for more.